A lot of innovation has been going into the supply chain. So that's warehousing, transportation, yard, the planning aspects of supply chain, also manufacturing. And the digitization in that area, physical inventory, not by having people walking around in the warehouse with a handheld device, but basically a drone flying a pre-programmed pattern and doing the full physical inventory automatically. Or the combination of glasses, smart glasses with voice, so that you combine all these new technologies into a completely new way of working, in this case, in the warehouse. You have connected fleet scenarios where by knowing exactly what's in which truck and what the condition is of that truck, is it shaking a lot, is it getting hot, or is it stuck somewhere, and then tying that information back to the information in the backbone. That's the type of innovation that we're bringing. And now, of course, with the complete digitization and the intelligent enterprise concept of the back office, so to speak, also becoming completely part of that innovation process, we're now also expanding into that. And if you think of it as a customer, you also don't want to be dealing with different departments of your supplier. You want to have one seamless experience, and you don't want any barriers or breaks between those processes. It's really all coming together, and that's a very good fit for us because we're one of the few companies that are, on the one hand, specialized in these innovative digitization and modernization of the complete supply chain, but also cover everything end to end. That is what our customers come to us for. And why there are some others that do that as well, but why are we different in that? It's because we have a partnership approach to everything we do. We look at all these topics and we analyze them, and we look at what this innovation can bring in terms of value for your business processes.